quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is known as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, we can solve this type equation by three methods. The first one is our factorization method. Second one is our perfect square method. Third one is our quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is known as quadratic equation. We can solve this type of equation by three methods: factorization method, perfect square method, and quadratic formula. Before that, if the degree of the equation is 2, that means maximum number of zeros, that means maximum number of zeros or roots of this type of equation is 2. How can you define roots are real or different, real or equal, real or imaginary? This is based on discriminant. Discriminant means d. The value of d is given by b square minus 4ac. If the value of d is more than 0, that means what? Roots are real and distance. If d is equal to 0, that means roots are real and equal. If d is less than 0, that means no real root. No real root. That means both the roots are imaginary. Now, based on d, see here, based on d, if the value of a is more than 0 and d is also more than 0, then our curve cut the x-axis in 2 points, because this point is known as x and this is our point of quadratic equation fx. That means there are two distant roots. So this one is beta and this is your alpha. Again, if the value of a is less than 0, then the curve shape like this. In this situation, a is less than 0, but d is more than 0. This is the first case when both the roots are real and equal. If the value of d is equal to 0, then curve touch only x-axis like this. In this situation, a is more than 0 and d is equal to 0. This is your x and this is your fx. Similarly, when a is less than 0, this is x, this is your fx, and d will be equal to 0. This is your second case of graph. Third case, when there is no real root, means both the roots are imaginary. In this situation, graph never touch the x-axis. Curve shape in first one like this, and in second one like this. In this situation, a is less than 0 and d is less than 0. In this situation, A is more than 0, but B is less than 0. That means there are three cases. On the behalf of that, how can we define roots are real and equal, real and unequal, or no real roots? I'm telling you one more thing. The curve of parabola, the curve of quadratic equation is in shape of parabolic. Thank you.